Hello, food lovers. Today, we're taking a journey through time, exploring some of the most beloved classic dish from around the world. These recipes have stood the test of time, passed down through generations, and are still cherished in kitchens everywhere. So, grab your aprons, and let's dive into the world of classic cooking. First up, we have the iconic French dish, coq au vin. This hearty stew is made with chicken, slow-braised in red wine, mushrooms, onions, and a medley of herbs. The combination of tender meat and rich, flavorful sauce is simply irresistible. Traditionally, it's a dish that shows the true essence of French comfort food: warm, rustic, and packed with depth. Ingredients: 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs or whole chicken, cut into pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 large onion. Finely chopped 2 cloves garlic. Mince 2 carrots, peeled and sliced 2 celery stalks. Sliced 1 cup pearl onions, peeled 1 cup mushrooms. Sliced cremini or butt. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 cups red wine, preferably Burgundy or Pinot Noir, 1 cup chicken stock, low sodium. 1 bay leaf, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, or 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped for garnish, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prep the chicken. Pat the chicken pieces dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Brown the chicken. In a large Dutch oven or heavy pot, heat the olive oil and butter over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken, skin side down, and brown for about 5-7 minutes on each side until golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pot and set aside. Sauté vegetables. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook for about 5-6 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables have softened and the onions are translucent. Add the pearl onions and sliced mushrooms to the pot and cook for another 3-4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add tomato paste. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for another 1-2 minutes, letting it combine with the vegetables. Deglaze with wine. Pour in the red wine, scraping the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon to release any brown bits. Bring the wine to a simmer, allowing it to reduce slightly for about 5 minutes. Simmer the chicken. Return the browned chicken to the pot. Add the chicken stock, bay leaf, and thyme. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then cover and cook over low heat for 45 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. Finish the sauce. Remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. Discard the bay leaf and thyme stems. Increase the heat to medium-high and cook the sauce for another 5-10 minutes to thicken slightly. Serve. Place the chicken back into the sauce and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes to reheat. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve the coq au vin hot with mashed potatoes, rice, or crusty bread to soak up the delicious sauce. Enjoy your coq au vin, a rich and flavorful dish that transports you to the heart of France.